What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Vusumuzi Matlala's wife has been exposed by the spokesperson of the EMPD, and there is this video that is circulating of her being escorted to the airport with blue light vehicles. It's completely unbelievable. So, she is not an EMPD officer or a non-VIP, and that escort has been exposed as unlawful. So currently, the Vusumuzi Matlala's wife was released on bail, but her husband was arrested, like not given bail. So as things stand, it's not looking good for Vusumuzi Matlala's wife because the evidence is out there, a complete video of her being escorted. So this is not just putting Vusumuzi Matlala's wife in serious trouble, but also everyone, who gave her those blue light vehicles. And we all know that the person who gave her those blue light vehicles is Julius Mpanazi and his allies. So all those guys are in serious trouble at the moment. I'll catch you guys on the next one.